In more than 85 years of dedication to crafting high-quality brushes by hand, we have never compromised our products. In that time, we've also learned that different applications and paints require different brushes. This video will help you choose which brush is best for you and for the specific conditions of various jobs. The brush you should choose depends on several factors: the type of paint you're using, the surface you're painting, and environmental factors like temperature and humidity all need to be considered. When painting with oil-based paints, brushes with softer filaments like the natural white bristle brush will work best. For stains and clears, use a natural bristle brush like oxhair or a soft synthetic brush like Syntox. These brushes are ideal for picking up and applying these types of paints and stains. If you're using water-based and latex paints, use brushes with synthetic filaments like Nylox, XL, Clearcut, or Chinex. If you are in need of an all-purpose brush that can withstand any job, consider Purdy XL Elite or Pro Extra. These brushes have stiffer filaments, making them more durable than natural filament brushes and can handle a wide range of paints and substrates. All Purdy brushes are designed to make painting easier and more accurate. So no matter which Purdy brush you choose for the job, you'll know that it will help create the best finish possible. Visit Purdy.com to learn more about our brushes, use our helpful tool selector, or search our resources section for tips and techniques. When pros demand quality, Purdy delivers.